Welcome back in. It's 8:24 and it's time to ask the pet doctor. Dr. Jerome Williams joins us once again. Good to see you.
Good morning.
Yeah, good to and it's hot out there. We know that. And our pets can become stressed out there in the heat just like we can.
Absolutely.
So we do have to watch and monitor their symptoms, don't we?
We do. And we got to make sure we have shade for them and water for them. Make sure they're in an area where there's air circulation.
Okay.
And it's hot now, but it's getting hotter.
Yeah.
So we got to really be careful.
You keep them indoors if you can. All right, we did have some people submit questions. We want to start with Sandra Pickens. She asked, what does she need to do when she leaves her dogs? When she's got a lab, I guess, and a golden retriever. When she leaves them outside during the hot summer days, we talked a little bit about that. She does have a covered porch and leaves them a large bowl of water. So it's kind of what you were saying earlier.
Yes. If you got a fan that you can put there, that would be helpful also.
Okay. All right, then Spencer Johnson, he's asking, says his dog just won't stop scratching lately, especially behind his ears. Says he is on regular flea treatment, and Spencer hasn't seen any signs of fleas or ticks, so what could it be?
If it's behind the ears, you think an ear infection.
Okay.
But if the pattern also includes biting at the feet and biting at the rear or dragging the rear along, it could be something beyond just an ear infection.
Okay.
Have the ears checked for an infection. If not, it may be an allergy. Allergies are many times manifested by scratching at the ears.
Okay. But if it does extend down to the feet and other parts, then
it may be a food allergy.
Food allergy, okay.
Yes. Now, if it's lower base of the ear, maybe a throat issue, like tonsillitis.
All right, well, definitely take him to the vet. You want to be sure, you want to confirm that so you can go ahead and get that treated, and so your pets feel a lot better. All right, Ben Christians wonders if she should expect his dog, or he should expect his dog to drink extra water during the hot summer months. If he doesn't, should he give him some ice or something to encourage his dog to get more fluids? Maybe the dog, he's got the water in the bowl, but maybe the dog's not drinking enough.
Generally, if the water is there, they're going to drink what they need.
Okay.
You don't need to try to increase the fluid intake. They're going to do it naturally on their own.
Okay. All right. Well, we do know with this warmer weather, the fleas and the ticks, they are more active this time of year.
Yes.
I had somebody working in my yard the other day helping me figure out some stuff in the back. We couldn't have been out there more than 5 minutes, and already there was a tick.
Yes.
So talk about tick and flea treatments, tick and flea treatments.
Flea and tick treatment.
Thank you so much.
We got this.
The most effective ones for this time of year.
Now, it'll be wonderful if you're able to spray or treat your yard for the fleas and ticks, and also help keep the mosquitoes and the other bugs, flies, that kind of thing down. And also, if you got a pet, then treat the pet as well. When you're treating for fleas and ticks, you need to treat both the pet and the environment, because we don't want to get ticks on us and get possibly Lyme disease. No. So be sure that you treat that whole environment. All right,
and probably should check your anytime your pet goes outside. You really got to check them every time they come in, don't you?
Yes, especially if you're in that kind of environment.
Yeah.
If you are where there are woods or bushes, where ticks may be, do check them absolutely.
All right, Dr. Jerome, appreciate your time as always. Thank you.
Good.
All right.